Hello everyone. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make a woven cross and a snowflake using foam glitter paper. First ornament, I'm going to make a woven cross, and here I'm going to use brown and gold foam paper. I'm going to use two colors, that way it's easier for you to understand or see the steps to making a woven cross. So I'm gonna cut thin strips of the foam paper. This is up to you. If you want the strips to be wider, you can. The brown ones, I cut them 11 inches long, and then further on you're gonna see that the gold one, I cut them 15 inches long. So it's gonna be in total you're gonna have 8 strips for 4 of each color. Start with the short one first. I'm gonna make a cross with the short strips. In this case, remember the short strips are going to be the brown color, and the long strips are gonna be the gold ones. So here I just counted to make sure that everything is center, and we have the same measurements on each side. And now I'm going to add a long strip, in this case the yellow or the gold, and I'm gonna put it just beneath the one that goes across, and then the other one is going to go, I'm gonna put it on the right side going downwards. Here you're gonna see at the center I made like a square, and they are all interlocking. One strip is underneath and the one is on the top. And always I try to put a little bit of glue, that way it will hold in place. Now I added another short strip, in this case the brown one, right on top of the first that I made the cross, and then I'm going to add the other one on the left side of the one I put going downward. And once again I'm gonna interlock every strip, one going under, over and under, and when you're done with the step and making sure that everything is on the same measurements, remember to put a little bit of glue, that way everything holds in place. Now I'm going to add another gold strip towards the right, and then the last gold strip goes at the bottom. They go right next to each other. The long strips, take in consideration, they need to be side by side. The woven process. I'm going to take two of the short strips, in this case the brown, and I'm going to put glue on the bottom part of the strip. In this case it's the soft side, not the side that has the glitter. And then I'm going to insert or glue the right side to the left side right on top of it. Here I'm gonna let you see how I do this, because I think if I explain it's gonna get more complicated. This process, as you can see here, you are going to do this on every side. And so here is the finished woven cross. I don't like the combination of colors. I just use those colors. That way it's easier for you to understand the steps of doing the woven cross. Here I also made it in a red color. So now let's jump to the other ornament. Using the glitter foam paper, I'm going to use a snowflake ornament. In this case, I'm going to make it green. So I started out by cutting 2.5-inch squares and then fold them in half and cutting right in the middle, and now I'm going to have triangles. For this project we're going to use 5 triangles, and now we're going to cut strips. We're going to do 3 snaps, and then make sure that here from the center towards the side you're going to make a little cut right in the middle, and you're gonna see you're gonna remove like 2 little triangles, and that's gonna leave like a pointy in the middle of the triangle. I made 5 of this, and now with the strips that are, I'm gonna glue them together right on the long strips that I didn't fold, one on top of each other, and that way you're gonna keep doing that till you make your snowflakes. Now I cut a little circle, and I'm gonna glue that on the bottom side of the snowflake. That way it covers the center of it. Here's the finished snowflake. So this is super easy and inexpensive to do, and you can do any color you want. Here's the snowflake, and once again here's the red woven cross. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Merry Christmas everyone.